Hey Autobloggers, welcome to another episode of Car Hacks. Your vehicle probably gets abused on a daily basis, and sometimes you step out of your local grocery store and find scuffs on the paint. Most of us don't have money to get every scuff removed professionally, so we found this cheap alternative hack that claims to remove scuffs by using toothpaste. Let's try it out. So what exactly are scuffs? Scuffs are minor, barely visible scratches that typically don't penetrate the clear coat of your paint. Let me explain. Your car's exterior is made out of 4 layers: clear coat, base coat, primer, and body panel. Anything that scratches beyond the clear coat needs to be treated professionally. The hack that we're using is asking for whitening toothpaste with tartar protection. The idea is that the toothpaste will act as an abrasive similar to other abrasives found in car polish. First, clean the area with car soap and water. Then, apply a generous amount of toothpaste on a towel and scrub the scuffed area. The action of rubbing it against the car removes microscopic layers of film and clear coat, causing the scuff to look invisible. Once you're done, carefully wash the area and wipe it away. Here is the before and after. Even though it removed some of the scuff, it didn't quite remove it all. Did I miss a step? Did this hack work for you in the past? Let me know. Hacks are fun to try, but for tips on how to professionally care for your vehicle, check out Autoblog Details featuring Larry Casella. For more car hacks, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to like and share this video. I'm Amr. Safe travels.